Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the item ordering service in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to unlock this ordering machine, and you can unlock this machine after you reach level 35 of your GG member level. Once you reach the level, you can track this machine. It's in front of the Dorothy store, and you can click on this menu and you can choose what you want to order. You can order furniture or clothing, and I'm going to order clothing guys. For example, I'm going to order a dress. I'm gonna go with this one and click on order, and you need to use the order ticket to order something. Select the ticket. You will get one ticket for free and confirm the order. And you need to wait for 7 days to get your order. And I'm just going to leave. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the item ordering service in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.